what's it say? The second offense, no, false allegation. That's the first statement. Now let's watch it. A branch any Kasebi, I didn't want to repeat it, but for the benefit of the doubt, and you pay it. Mamenka was say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia fan call for you. Loyalty me. Was it Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or fan call for you? Okay. On what basis and a police at the chair branch? I don't get it. Police say a false allegation charges from the abode. Ebia now no no yen ya fanwa. Eye den na wo determine say a false allegation. Da bena obi aka bibidi apa doctor say ayi lawyer sebe ho. Na lawyer nkoye complain of police realize ye kwachi. Obi aka sam dia fa. Da bena Ghana ye share sa dia. Say obi make allegation e dia fa me ho. Maybe koye complain police about the chief. Me tiase. And if that is the case, Kevin Taylor insulted Nana Otene. He insulted the two for. He insulted a lot of people. Jamaican what I say. But this country, why did you arrest them on behalf of a two for? Your friend is saying Nana Otene. How did a man arrest him? Massa, what is happening? Boy, now I channel and you be a sentence. And your sentence to equalize Kamil Al-Hassan jail.
Okay.
And your sentence to equalize the people that battling the court case on the same and your the same situation.
I was what social media so now when you edit Ghana ya man so much what was for some time now no there have been series of arrests so if it's any one more it's social media so one more AD at some it's any amanofo a one more do one matter your man penny John Dramani Mahama any one more e to me e wa bani abre nyina ade san ade achi atemdie no kwa e na so na no ada e na Camilla Hassan e fall a victim of sa atemdie na sa bedi wono so akwakọ piemu e wo ensewom ya wo kwakotwa afe baako ya yede mane no Ghana fo be kasete e kire se ne ekoso no ya yese amanfo kasaboa e na ben e pese wo ka e de hye wo moyam na busia eno entwagu ne nanu ada na emu se ya san ache enkofo mienu abaako e ye NPP ni ya wono e kasa ye editi aye mampeni John Dramani Mahama ne hokani Lodina Mahama e na afa so baako so ye NDC ni ya wono so e kasa ye editi aye former vice president Dr. Mahama Bawumia e de busia ensemo abrantie no ka woni video ni mu de e ye ensemo a eni susu ye permit me fama no enka
Bawumia jimifo wudini a wankasa wakora na ananamoku no asia edidi nkofo yere Bawumia yi Bawumia didi nkofo yere ufoma MP so me MPP fo a na wudi wo ma no mugoku kwasia mpanyin kwasia bi se muso me di Ghana so aboa bi se hwenanim ese kwaku otesoro aboa we muso me di Ghana so na Ghana ye pemo mo me di Ghana so anke kwache kwaku me di Ghana so kwasiye bi se aboa bi se ufoma MP so me MPP fo na wudi wo ma no mugoku kwasiye bi se muso me di Ghana so vice president ke ko be ye ko na no di nkofo no ba be president aboa bi ti se jimi we kromfo e mens la so enko e parugu
na nuachi eni hu se Ghana Police Service akwakwachi abrantie ne ya wo mo kire se ne nsemo a wo kan ye no eye nsemo a waka e de agu ye vice president Dr. Mahama Bawumia former vice president wo de agu ne hu fia fei so wo kan se bi wo mo a eno so mo hu ne se eye false accusation eno ene ne mo gina so mo de kwachi abrantie na Ghana fo kire se sa echie ya wo makwachi abrantie die enye konye no eye se wo mo hyeda de abrambram ne ma so se ne be ye na Camilla de ba ya Ghana fo e ka se no ba se o and this is second na kwakọ yes kind of no etwa ha ntiwe no enye MPP fo nko a na wo mo airtata no wo mo chiwe so ama Ghana fo hu se wo ye MPP ni na kodi atema ye beche so so na se wo ye NDC ni na se wo kodi atema ye beche no na Dr. Mahama Bawumia ba bonta beche se abrante na wo ye NDC ni ya wo mo ache na se wo didi na tem no ayi wo no na wo didi na tem won konko ye complain emfa ma Ghana Police Service enti woni ni eti Ghana Police Service akwakwachi abrante de dey any nyina so mo gina so wo de kokwachi abrante ne se wo no waka se de Dr. Mahama Bawumia e che se abrante ne che wo ma che no wo mo hwe se wo beja abrante no amana fa ne mu akwakode no na zigaba be din komo no wo che se Dr. Mahama Bawumia ne nsɛm a ɔde bɛto abɔnten no wɔn hu ne sɛ Dr. Bawumia hu ne sɛ nsɛm no ɛyɛ settings saa kyɛ na wɔn n'akyi abrante no ɛyɛ settings a NDC foɔ ɛyɛ anaasɛ ɛyɛ settings a police foɔ no ɛyɛ ɛde akava ne ɛkɔ so a Ghana foɔ kyerɛ sɛ asa wɔn de omani ahwɛ faako ɛna wɔn kyekye wɔn a ɛyɛ MPP for sɛ nkɛte saa de a ɛne ɛka yɛ wɔn nkurɔfoɔ a wɔn di ɔkyehene no matem yɛ wɔn nkurɔfoɔ a wɔn di ɔyɛ otumfo wɔ sɛ tutu matem ɛne ade ti na Ghana Police Service ankɔ ankɔkye saa nkurɔfoɔ no on behalf of saa ahemfo na wɔn bɛdi ɔmatem na Dr. Mahama Bawumia deɛ baayɛ deɛ ɛne pɛm mudi mika akɔ akɔkye nti saa kyerɛ ne deɛ ɛnyɛ ade a Ghana foɔ sɛ wɔn ti ase baabi a ɛnyɛ yɛ sei ɛna zigadi nkɔmɔ no ɛfae.
Dr. Bawumia, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Dr. Bawumia, and yes, sir, for appreciating what the police is doing. Just by making let's say, appreciating what the police is doing. Dr. Bawumia, I issued this statement only because of say one person will be what did you or not, Dr. Bawumia? You're about accusing that person. You're charging the dinner. But you also believe that this is success. I'm telling you. Apart from Dr. Bawumia, that is what we think that it is success. You need to be accepting this country. Success. Listen, president does not order for arrest. You understand? President or that's your coach will be, but he can call for your fantasy. Investigation. Now, Abraham no ayachi no, Abuaje na ayachi no. Charges mienu and ye diabon. You 2 charges. 1, offensive conduct conducive and a publication of false news. Offensive conduct. The offensive conduct means that he insulted Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. I have listened to the guy. I have watched the video. He insulted Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now, before 2001, now he insulted president. Was an offense. In fact, was an offense. Say a crime or whatever was an offense for insulting president. Section 183A of the Criminal Offences Act 29. 1960. Now we insulted president and a crime over this country. It's you repealing the criminal libel law. I don't know who said no. Say ya strike way offer. It me the criminal libel law now ya peeling no ebe useless. And you repealing the section 183 of the Criminal Offences Act 29, 1960. Say we insulted president. It is not a crime. It is not an offense. Yani kokoye salon. Jamaica what I say. But already section 63 of the Chieftaincy Act was a certain offenses against chiefs. Already C of that section 1 was insulting a chief is a crime. We insulted president, it is not a crime, and that's an offense. But we insulted chief, it is an offense according to the Chieftaincy Act. Jamaican waters. Now, there's no law in this country who insult will be a crime. Lawyer there's no law. There is no law in this country that we insult will be a morally it is no good, just like you are insulting president. But it is not a crime, it is not an offense. Jamaican watch I say, so can somebody throw be now we insult and then the panel pa allow the person to go and lodge complaint. That's what I see it. Now, the second offense, what's it say? The second offense, no, false allegation. That's the first statement. Now let's watch it. Abrantiani Kasebi, I didn't want to repeat it, but for the benefit of the doubt, and you pay it. Mamenka was say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia fan call for you. Loyalty me. Was it Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or fan call for you? Okay. On what basis and a police at the chair branch? I don't get it. police say a false allegation charges on the abode no ebia na ono no yere ne yafa no a eye den na wo determine say a false allegation. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no aye didi na tem no aye kasa asem na tem wono no koye complaint say abrantie bi gu me hufi waka asem bi de atia me am free senya ne kore. So on what basis the police will tell the whole Ghana say Jabrantiane can wabwa a false allegation? I don't get it.
Okay, so they are using the electronic communication.
That's what I'm saying. That
is what they are using. And when you look at it on the cyber security act, which one hasn't come in?
Listen, the communication, electronic communication that you are using are basic. You understand? You take the person to the court. So I wait for the person to come. Because what in the court say today or be justify what wasting the time. Jamaica writers a beer no yere ne yafa.
Okay.
And was say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia fan call for you. Dr. Bawumia koye complain and I won't watch him. It will see the pan what charging say a false statement and false allegation. Meanwhile so no your fan call court to be no with evidence. Et the pan no on the pan no yaka some the yafa no. Say the pan be complain. And you are arresting the pan. I don't get it.
Okay, so you don't get it in America's electronic act. I mean, can be American. So when you look at a year 208 of Act 775, it says a person who by means of electronic communication signs a communication which is grossly offensive, indecent, obscene, or menacing commits an offense, penalty, fine up to 3 years in jail.
Good. Indecent is an insult.
That is what the law says.
Yes, that's
so
the
you
indecent.
Need any complaint.
Yes, that is indecent. One can't false allegation. One can't allegation. There's a difference between indecent and allegation. And here, indecent is insult now, but the action. Which for me, insulting president is not a crime. Per our law. So what's indecent, insulting? Because Facebook, I know you insulting too much and they take you off. When you do bloody things, they take you off. So indecent is an insult. You understand? But when you talk about the allegation, the public choir complain say, Obi, edit matter, because I'm in good video. No? On what basis you charge the person as your friend say, or false allegation? Jamaican what I say. Now, your friend say, police made the Biameka say, they are new IG. It's really doing well. Jamaican what I say. Is really doing well. But me point in the say, say da bena obiaka bibidia pa doctor say you are sebe ho. Na lawyer nkoye complain and police realize he ekwachi. Obiaka sam dia fa me. Da bena Ghana ye share sa dia. Say obia make allegation e dia fa me ho. Me nkoye complain police about the chifa. Me tiase. And if that is the case, Kevin Taylor insulted Nana Otekle. He insulted the two for. He insulted a lot of people. Jamaican what I say. But this country, why did you arrest them on behalf of a two for him? The friend is saying Nana Otekle. I did a man arresting him. Massa, what is happening? Boy na ya channel and you be a sentence. And your sentence to equalize Camille Al-Hassan jail.
Okay.
And your sentence to equalize the people that battling the court case on the same same situation.
Okay. All right.
That is what I see it. Because people have made wide allegations. If you talk about allegations, I could go by now contra Angel FM say MPP for the accident could blame. Say accident. That time you started to take for father no man. Madam Dr. Beriauzi, made a statement. Looks like Onim Kofu acid Kokogu, Akosombo, Eme Jakoto Mewa. Why didn't they arrest the woman? This is sentence. They are doing this to equalize. Massa, we have told them that look, President Mahama, this focus.
Okay.
Don't do anything to distract him. This country is on track. All what is happening, please, and Talibame. It's Susumame.
Dan komo no na yakwakuti e de aba na Ghana for so e kire o madwene e de fa arrest ekoso no na Ghana for no emu koche bi no ebi kire say arrest na ekoso no eya ade a efebi no wo mo ne ye mampeni John Dramani Mahama ene na aban no eya ade no say sa be de e kame say politics of insult no eya doso e wo social media no so it is arrest na ekoso no enam kwan bi so the sanity ebeba but omo kire say wo chifa akono wo de we ko hwefa akono akwachi MPP4 kwa say kwa akoye say eye MPP4 and what target of so bechim no mum wo nya adwene say wo pese wo yi politics of interest no politics of insult no edifiwo no and na wo mo kire say wo man ayetimu a yeyi emrade afi wo say wo ko didi mampeni atemu a eno enye offense enye crime ne de enye seya ene bekoso eti bi te say community sentence no eyade aga na for kire say eti mi de ba eno ebeboa ama at least say value system kwa na era na obi kodi atemu a ye mfa no konkotu na mo me ba ni punishment bi a eno no say bi community sentence bi na de ama na eno beboa ama atenye na ekoso no anwo abrafom ebi so kire say Dr. Muhammad Bawumia na nsem a wo ka say abrante no wo no wedi natem na nya de say wakwa police station akwa report bi ete a police for enya no so mu ne say political score points and Dr. Muhammad Bawumia wo pe because no we politician and we MPP ni abrante na achi so NDC ni so hu ne say wa ma mekasa na de ko tumu a bia aba wo kwa pre no ebeko e de atia no enti e no de sa move no aba bontin Ghana for adwenche bi o wo kire no na me de aba beso mesre say won so be jawo de e wo comment section ho e de ama me all the social media handles no too much gh o subscribe like you know what share na fufu so ni bi ahwe makra